am calm, my heart is glad. You are my peace.
Yeah.
I can't be moved like Zion hills. My feet are still. I am glad, my heart is calm. You are my peace. Kabo Shandabaya. I can't be moved like Zion hills. My feet are still. This is the last part of the prayer. This is the last part. Stand up. I am glad, my heart is calm. You are my peace. I can't be moved like Zion hills. My feet are still. Yeah. I am glad, my heart is calm. You are my peace. Kabo Shandabaya. I can't be moved like Zion hills. My feet are still. I am glad, my heart is calm. You are my peace. I can't be moved like Zion hills. My feet are still. I am glad, my heart is calm. You are my peace. I can't be moved like Zion hills. My feet are still. Pray everywhere. Pray. Dance to the Holy Ghost. I am glad, my heart is calm. You are my peace. You are my peace. I can't be moved like Zion hills. My feet are still. Just love the Lord wherever you are. Just love Him, love Him, love Him. Hug the Lord, hug Him. Give Him a kiss. Rondo boshanda bahasese. Le komenene sokatalabaya. Love the Lord. I said love the Lord. Love Him. Love Him. Ele kokokoma. Zivinana kakome sakata. Lengos kabatijina kakome. Love Him. Love Him. Love Him. Love the Lord. Thank Him for that thing that He has done for you. Zepanta komena. Randa kabanko komenesia. Legetekete kome. Lingos kabatata. Hey, ronda bashande ke baskiva na mana. Ele mana koko boti kita kata. Ligada mana makanda kite ketokos kobotiji. Randa gabaski kamana kanda gatike dele bosko. Randa baske vetele boshanta. Pray in the Holy Ghost. Pray in the Holy Ghost. Ele kabada bada baya kata bada bashanta. E kanda kata kane mene kongo toko. Ikata kata ni mana. Rekeskubana. Inamate, imanate. Ele mekuele shanamati edesa. Ele kututu ni manaka dede shanamati edana salamanda. Ele bantan shanda kika. Lentone mosia da data. Sia da data. Ele tonesha. Akweleza. Akakakakane kokotiata. Liga da manama sole bekiana manato. Lega dieta da